Hello, viewers. Welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before continuing, like us, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share a video for more interesting topics. Today, we are looking at this question, and it says, "What is the value of x in x to the power of 3 minus 333 raised to the power of 3 minus 444 raised to the power of 3 minus 555 raised to the power of 3?" So, in this case, we are going to find the solution of x in this evaluation. So here we are given x to the power of 3 minus 333 to the power of 3 minus 444 to the power of 3 minus 555 to the power of 3. From this equation, we are going to find the value of x. So what are we going to do? The next step is for us to move constant to one side. So here, this will become x to the power of 3 equals to all this will be transposed into this other side. So it will become plus 333 to the power of 3 minus 4. Okay, here will be plus because minus 444 to the power of 3 moved to the other side will become plus 444 to the power of 3. This moved to the other side become plus 555 to the power of 3. So this is what we have now. So in this case, you can see that when we have 333 is the same thing as 111 times 3 gives us 333. 444 is the same thing as 111 times 4. Likewise, 555 is the same thing as 111 times 5. So this is what we have. We are going to replace this in this equation. So here, x to the power of 3 will be equals to, as we say, 333 is equivalent to 111 times 3 all to the power of 3. Then we have plus. Here, replacing this, we have 111 times 4 all to the power of 3. Then we have plus 111 times 5 all to the power of 3. So this is what we have now. So in this case, here, when we recall that when we have a to the power of c plus d is the same thing as a to the power of c times a to the power of d. So this is what we have. We are going to express this in this format. So this will become x to the power of 3 equals to 111 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 3. Then we have plus. The same thing here, we have 111 to the power of 3 times 4 to the power of 3. So here the same thing as plus 111 to the power of 3 times 5 to the power of 3. So in this case, we can see that we have 111 to the power of 3, which is common. So we can factor it out. So this will become x to the power of 3 equals to 111 to the power of 3 into, when we divide the whole of here by 111 to the power of 3, will give us 3 to the power of 3. Then plus, divide this by 111 to the power of 3 will give us 4 to the power of 3. Then plus, the same thing here will give us 5 to the power of 3. So in this case, we can see that the parenthesis here, we can expand it. So this will be the same thing as x to the power of 3 equals to 111 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 3 is the same thing as 27 plus 4 to the power of 3 is the same thing as 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. Then we have 5 to the power of 3 is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125. So here, adding all this will become x to the power of 3 equals to 111 to the power of 3 into 216. So this is what we have. And 216, if we expand this 216, when we have 216 is the same thing as 6 times 6 times 6, which is equals to 6 to the power of 3. So replacing 216 as 6 to the power of 3 will give us here x to the power of 3 equals to 111 to the power of 3 into 6 to the power of 3. So in this case, this is the same thing as x to the power of 3 equals to 111 to the power of 3 times 6 to the power of 3. So we can move over to this other side. So in that case, what we are going to have now, so here as we said, x to the power of 3 is the same thing as 111 to the power of 3. So here will be times 6 to the power of 3. So we can recall that when we had this illustration, so we are going to evaluate this or represent this in this format. So this will become x to the power of 3 equals to 111 times 6 all to the power of 3. So in this case, 111 times 6 is the same thing as this x to the power of 3 equals to 666 all to the power of 3. So for us to find the value of x in this equation, we need to find the cube root of both sides. So we say apply cube root to both sides. So this will become cube root of x to the power of 3 equals to cube root of 666 all to the power of 3. In this case, 3 will cancel here 1 and 3 will cancel the cube root. And also, the cube root will cancel itself and cancel the power of 3. Therefore, our x equals to 666. So this is the value of x. Satisfy this equation. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.